Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to find a new meme coin, how to verify the contract, and how to make sure is a legit project before participating on it. And I'm gonna share with you the tools you're gonna need to verify the contract and everything you would like to know about the project before participating on it. So stay tuned with me and I will show you step by step how to do it. So first you have to go to this screener right here and you have to click on new pairs. After you click on new pairs, you can choose here the 24-hour. I like to go for the 24-hour. And I like to trade on Solana meme coin because Solana, the fee are very cheap. So I like it. And then a lot of people trading on Solana right now. So you go to filter here, you go to all platform and you choose Solana and you click on save and you click on apply. So it gives you all the Solana meme coin that's releasing today or last 24 hours. So you have to click on age twice. Like this, you will get the latest one. You can see here, this one just launched 16 minutes ago. This one 36 minutes ago. This one 39 minutes. All the way to 24 hours. So we're gonna click on this one. First one, open a new window. And we're gonna click on this one too, just to analyze and show you everything you would like to know before participating in any project. So let's go to the first one here. And the first thing I will like to see that this is going upward, not downward. That's what I like to see first. And then you have to go to this contract address, copy this address, and go to a website called ragcheck.xyz. What you're gonna do here, you're gonna paste your token here and you're gonna click on check. So here it gives you risk analysis. You can see here it says good, and you can see here make sure is 100% locked. The liquidity pool is 100% locked. You can see here the 14% that's in on Radium for liquidity, and the team or one of many holders has, like, the first one has 4%, 3%, 3%, and 2%. So to double check that this is legit, so I use two tools. The first one called rockcheck.xyz, and second one, it's on Telegram. This is SoulScan. So you're gonna do the same thing here. You're just gonna paste the address, click on it, and it's gonna show you. You can see here the mint is off. So make sure this mint is off, because if it's on, that means the dev he can mint more tokens and drop on you, and like this he will rock the project. And make sure it's 100% burn. You can see here the age is 18 minutes now. It show you the market cap, the liquidity, all-time high, the volume, and here the price, and it's giving you the holders. So you can see here the top 10 holders has 26%, which is not bad, it's okay. But you can see here 80% is airdrop. That's mean a lot of people has tokens airdropped to them. So soon as this project launch, they're gonna be dropping their tokens. So make sure, guys, to do your own research before participating in a project. So let's go to the second one. And another thing again, you have to make sure they have a legit website. Like this one is just a basic one, it's not something crazy. And go to their Twitter here and make sure they're active on their Twitter. This one has only one post, so it's not that great. at least they have to have about 17, 20, 30 posts. And make sure the Telegram they're using is active and has members on it before participating in any project, guys. So let's go to the second one. You have to do the same thing for each project. It's gonna take you time before you find the right one to participate on it. Just don't hurry up and go to the first projects and buy, and then they're gonna dump on you and you're gonna lose your money. Make sure, take your time. There is too many tokens, guys. You can see here many tokens. If you miss one, there is plenty coming. Just do your own research and take your time before participating in any project. So same thing, like I said, you copy this, you go to rack check and you paste your token here, and you can see here this one, it says danger, mint authority still enabled. So when you see this message like this, you don't need to think twice, just run away, don't use it. Let's go to the third one. Like this one, it's not bad, the chart is not bad, but to make sure it's a legit project, you do the same thing again. You go here and you check if it's a legit. You see here it says good, then you make sure it's 100% locked, and you see the distribution of the token. Here Radium has 9%. This one is it's a good, like this one I can participate in it because I don't see a lot of holders having too many percentage. You can see here the top holders have only 2%, 1%, 1%, and 1%. For me, I can participate in this project. So what you have to do, you just have to go to 1 second and then you find your entry, and next on the next video I'm gonna show you how you can buy and sell using a bot, because there is so many bots that you can use. There is Trojan bot, there is bank bot that help you to buy the token first, because you know Radium has too many problems, and Jupiter, like almost the new tokens they release on Radium first before they can go to Jupiter. So sometimes Radium is having a lot of problems to buy. So I use the bots like this, they're fast and you can take your position very fast. You can buy and sell very fast. Like if you find this one legit, you can buy here at 0.408 and you can sell at the top here at 0.0001 and you can get your benefit. You can see it's going a little bit high, but for the first time, if you're using this for the first time, it's good to just use the money that you don't need. Like this, if you lose it, you don't gonna cry. You just have to use the money that you don't need for the first time, just to test it. Like this, that's what I did in the first time. I was using 0.1, 0.09. Like this, I can get $2 here, $4 here, $5 here before I start using 1 Solana, 2 Solanas. Like this, you can get more benefit in the future, because more money you put, more money you get, and high risk, high reward. So guys, this video is for entertainment and information and education only. I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm not asking anybody to buy or sell tokens. So guys, do your own research. I did give you 2 tools you can use to verify the contract and make sure this meme coin is legit. You have the rockcheck.xyz and you have the soul scan. I'm gonna leave all the links in my description box. So guys, I hope this video helped you to find a good meme token that you can participate on in the future and make some benefit. So if you like this video so far, don't hesitate to subscribe and like this videos. Thank you guys, and stay tuned with me for the next future project and next update on the future project. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.